Are you doing Vlogmas? Please do it. Your relationship status? Y'all love being in my business. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up With Q. So from the title of today's video, you guys can tell I'm doing a life update plus mini Q&A, or just a Q&A. I don't know if you want to call it mini, big, I don't know, but it's a Q&A. We just gonna go ahead and get straight to the video. Before we jump into the video, make sure I give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can lit together, period. Now let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to acknowledge is y'all definitely see that I am in a different setting. Well, it's not different, but like it's different from the last video for like my new people. But I am back home. The semester is basically over for the on-campus portion. As of today, we do still have 2 weeks, which is the week before Thanksgiving, the week after for finals. So yeah, school's basically over, so I am already back home. So that's really kind of why I want to do a Q&A as well, because you know, yeah, things are about to start changing. I'm also going to address, even though there's probably like questions about this, about where I've been, why I've been gone, why I've been uploading. So I don't know if y'all noticed, but like at school, my setting was just a little off too. My camera was not set up how it typically was like the years before that at school. That's because I broke my tripod. I also was filming a lot of daytime videos, or I was using like room lighting and stuff, which I still am now because I broke my ring light. I'm actually still waiting on my ring light to come in the mail, but I found a decent price tripod at Target for $15, and it's the same thing I had before but much better quality, so I got that. And yeah, I'm just waiting on my ring light, so I just want y'all to bear with me because I don't want to be gone for too long. But that's kind of why I'm MIA, because I know I wanted to put out good quality videos and stuff like that, so I wanted to wait but not too long. So I have something, so we just go on with it. Okay, so this Q&A also came about because I posted on my community tab asking you guys to ask me questions. Also, if you guys did not know, I've been posting on there a lot, and that's where I go to engage with y'all, let y'all know when I post videos, and then ask me questions and stuff like this. So if you ever feel like you're missing out on something, definitely check that out. Yeah, let's just go ahead on there, and I'm going to answer all of you guys' questions. It is not going to be in any particular order. Y'all know I don't do order, we just gonna go with the flow. We answer how we answer. Okay, so the first question is, oh, I'm loving y'all asking multiple questions at one time. I'm loving it. So the first one says, what happened to your room decorating video? And I actually attempted to do that during quarantine, and I started but I never finished. Like, if you see my room is really half done. It's really half done. I got a lot of the stuff that I said I wanted to get, but I did not finish it. I don't know if I'm going to finish it because, yeah, we're going to discuss that later. But I don't think I'm going to finish this from here. What's your go-to meal? What's my go-to meal? I think I have two. So if I'm at a restaurant and I don't know what to get, or I've never been there before, chicken tenders, we don't go with that. But if I had to be like, oh, what can I eat right now, I would definitely go for some lemon pepper wings.
I say, bitch, I got the motherfucking lemon pepper stuff.
You know, Wingstop preferably, 10-piece with the fries, medium, lemonade. That's my go-to meal. Did you film for homecoming? I feel so bad because I did ask in my video if y'all wanted me to film for homecoming, and homecoming actually ended up being from Wednesday until Sunday, and I told y'all it was that weekend because I did not know, but it ended up being from Wednesday to that Sunday. And the first day was a rooftop party, but y'all was literally like rushing, so I knew I wasn't going to get Wednesday. And then Thursday I forgot my camera. Friday I was just like, you know what, I'm kind of over it. And then Saturday I was like, dang, I could have vlogged the tailgate, but I didn't. So yeah, I do not have any like actual footage from it, but I do have videos and stuff. And then like I could post my outfits that I had on the screen for y'all to see, or y'all can follow me on Instagram to check that out. Yeah, follow me on Instagram to check out my outfits and stuff, to see what I wore for homecoming. But yeah, I'm sorry for that, y'all, I'm sorry. So then we have, how's life going right now? I would say life is going. Life is definitely going. With school and trying to figure out like what I'm about to do after school. Like, life is just going right now. I'm trying not to like stress myself out about it because that's not good. but I do need to figure out what I'm going to do, like actually sit down, which I'll probably do over the Christmas break, because right now I'm trying to think about it and do schoolwork. It's killing me. How do you manage a level head at this point in the semester? Okay, freshman year and sophomore year Q could definitely answer this question, but y'all, I'm literally hanging on by a thread with one class, so I'm trying to manage it, you know, and like I said, not think the worst and think the best, because I can do that all the time. So yeah, I really don't have an answer. I really don't. Next question. Do you plan on moving after you graduate? Like I told y'all, I am going to have another semester. So as of right now, I'm really still debating on if I'm going to stay off campus or stay on campus. And if I stay off campus, that's going to determine if I'm moving after I graduate, because if I do get an off-campus apartment, then I'm probably going to lease for a year. And then if I lease for a year, then that would basically be me moving out. And yeah, I'm pretty sure once I stay there for a year, I'm not going to want to come back. So yeah, it's not 100% official yet of what I'm going to do. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure that out. Plans with YouTube after you graduate. And then you also said, love you. I love you too, period. But plans with YouTube after I graduate. So YouTube is definitely something that I still want to do even after I graduate, but I feel like my plans are still going to be like the same. So it would just basically be my YouTube channel going in the direction that I'm going. So like y'all saw over the summer, that's when I spent like my time doing fashion and like lifestyle videos and all that. Once I got to school, it was college related, and then like now that I'm home, it's gonna be stuff towards that. Go back to school, gonna be school. Summertime is gonna be that. If I get my apartment, it's gonna be stuff like that. So I feel like my plan is just to go with where life is taking me with YouTube. So yeah. Oh, she asked me 6 questions. She was engaging. Okay, so the first one is, how old are you? I am 21. Yeah, 21. Favorite / funniest memory as a kid? Okay, I feel like my favorite / funniest, I'm gonna go with funniest. It's funny now because, you know, yeah, it already happened. But me and all of my cousins stayed at my grandma's house one time, and she kicked us out. Like, yeah, it was like 12 of us, maybe 10 of us, maybe 12, I don't know. It was a lot of us, and she was not trying to deal with us. And she was like, actually I wouldn't say she was trying to deal with us, but we were being bad. She was just like, y'all better call one of y'all parents, find a ride, and get to stepping. Like, some of my cousins lived right next to her, so it was good, but the rest of us, we had to go to my auntie's house because she ended up coming to get us, because I knew my dad was not coming to get us. I think some of my other aunties was not coming to get us because it was the middle of the night and we was not asleep. We was up having fun. She was like, yeah, y'all need to go. I feel like that was probably the funniest. My favorite memory, actually, I would put that as my favorite. I would put that as my favorite because me and my cousins were bonding. But I'm gonna say funniest is when my sister knocked my front tooth out. She knew it was already like about to come out. You know how your front teeth got come out as a kid. She already knew it was about to come out, and she threw the ball at my mouth. And yeah, she knocked my tooth out. So I don't know if y'all realize, but sometimes when I smile, like, I automatically go like, you know, stuff like that. Because when I was younger, I have the front tooth. Like, I had the pictures and stuff for a good little minute. I was taking school pictures and everything, no front tooth. So I started doing my little smile, and that's where I came from. Okay, if you can pack your bags right now, where would you go? If I could pack my bags right now, I would go to Bora Bora or Jamaica. I would definitely go. Like, suitcases right there, I'm out, peace. Favorite YouTuber? My favorite YouTuber will always be Kennedy Simone, even though, you know, she was leaving us hanging for a little bit. But I am also starting to like Dana. I don't know if y'all know who Dana is, but I came across her one day while I just was randomly like watching YouTube videos, and I love her. Like, I love Dana. I love her vlogs, her try on hauls. My outfit from homecoming was actually inspired by her, and you know, people love the looks. So I highly doubt Dana will ever see this, but if you do, you inspired the fit, period. Like, I love Dana so much. If I could meet her one day, that would be cool. Her and Kennedy. Yeah. Why haven't you been uploading as much lately? So yeah, it's really been the tripod, the ring light, At one point I was stacking my shoe boxes up to kind of give the level like the tripod is giving now. I got really tired of filming daytime. Like I like to film at random times because sometimes I'll do all of my homework during the day and like film YouTube videos at night, but you know, if I don't have a ring light, then I got to do it in the daytime so the light will look right. But I kind of like it when I'm home though, because this light isn't too bad, so I could put it to use, but it's just not the best. So that's why I was like, okay, cool, I have my tripod, we just gonna get to business. Are you doing Vlogmas? Please do it. Little old me doing Vlogmas? Yes, I am. I actually was going through my YouTube channel and I was like, dang, I've never done Vlogmas before, and people have definitely asked, I've definitely thought about it, but I was like, that's too much, you know. So I don't have the energy, don't have the time. But this year I'm going to do Vlogmas, and y'all, I'm really doing Vlogmas because this will definitely help me work on my consistency. Like, it definitely will. I already have all of my ideas laid out and everything of what I want to do. The only thing I'm trying to figure out is if I actually want to film a Vlogmas intro, or if I want to just have somebody make it for me for like my first time, like the kind of intro I have now, but like Christmassy, if that's a word. Y'all comment down below and let me know. I feel like with COVID I probably would have to film a video myself if I want to do like one of those intros, but if not, I probably just get somebody to make me one. So if you make intros, definitely hit me up on IG, let me know down below something. But I am going to do Vlogmas, so make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can see all of that. What was the hardest class you took so far at Coastal? So since I've been going to Coastal so far, my hardest class had to be, I'm gonna say, algorithm design 2. So if you're not a computer science major, then you won't have to take this class, but it's coding, creating a lot of programs. And the second portion definitely killed me, like definitely killed me. So that would have to be my hardest class. Your relationship status, y'all love being in my business.
You in my business? Yeah, don't do that. Anywho,
let me stop. But I'm definitely single. Yeah. Did you ever find a job or get the position you interviewed for? So let me tell y'all about that, the position I interviewed for. So basically, the managers there were not even communicating with each other because she wanted to actually hire me on the spot, but apparently the other manager was also doing interviews the day before, and he already hired like 5 people and they were starting to do training and stuff. So she was like, I'll call you in like 2 weeks and see when you can start and da 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 da. And in my head I'm like, 2 weeks from now I'm gonna be back in Charleston, like I'm not gonna be in Conway, like I don't have nowhere to stay, so I can't even take the job. So I was just like, okay. So she actually ended up calling me the day that I was leaving to come back to Charleston, which is crazy. And I was like, yeah, I actually already found another position and I didn't. And she was like, I kind of figured, but I just wanted to call you because you were the first on my list. I loved you so much, I really wanted you to be here. And I said, well, I do have to come back to Conway, like hopefully next semester, so you know, maybe then. And she's like, okay. But I actually did end up finding a job now that I'm home, so that's another thing that'll be going on. I will be working now. It's not the hostess position. Low-key, I'm kind of glad I didn't do that because it kind of wasn't, I don't think that was my vibe. Like, I can talk to people, but I don't think hostess or server or anything is my vibe. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick to retail. When do you plan on moving out or off campus? So like I said, the plan is hopefully for, what is that, fall 2021, but we'll see. Can you do a fall/winter lookbook? And y'all know I got my lookbooks coming. It's really me procrastinating, and well, not anymore, but it was really me procrastinating and not putting my stuff up because I have a lot of stuff with me because we're home until January. Once I finish that, which I probably finish today, then I can actually see what I have and start putting my pieces together and stuff like that. So yeah, it's definitely coming. How do you balance school, YouTube, and your social life? So with, as far as like YouTube, school, my social life, what I learned this year is just take your camera with you. Like, that's why I had more vlogs than I did before this school year, because if you incorporate filming your videos, then like you're still getting your schoolwork done, you're still hanging out with your friends, because as you can see, I did like a college weekend vlog because my friends wanted to go out. Okay, so I'm killing 2 birds in 1 stone by filming my YouTube video and hanging out with my friends. Unless it's like that vibe where, you know, like I'm just trying to spend time with my friends, then okay, cool. But if I know I have to do homework, or I still have to film a video from a college day in my life. Like, that's also one way I get my homework done, because I love doing YouTube and sometimes I don't want to do my homework. But it's like, okay, Q, if you're doing a vlog about a college day in your life, a part of your life is getting your homework done. So put the camera right there, do the homework, boom, you did it right there. So that's definitely what I do. What happened to your business? As far as business wise, I feel like I lost motivation for it, but I do still use my machine and I still make stuff. Like, I'm in the process of making stuff for people now, but I feel like as far as having a full-on business, like, I don't know. I don't think at a time like this I can. Like, I don't know. But if people still ask me to make stuff for them, I definitely will. Yeah, I haven't been telling anybody no. What influenced you to start YouTube? I feel like I answered this before, I don't know. But I started doing YouTube with my cousin and my old best friend back in like 2016, 2015, I think. And we were triple threat. Yeah. I started doing YouTube with them, and back then it was just really something to do, because at first I don't think I really wanted to do it, and then like my cousin and my best friend was like, Q, like, you know, we want to do it. So I said, okay, cool, I'm gonna do it. But once I actually started filming and being behind the camera and seeing like what it took to edit, and actually seeing like what people thought about the videos and stuff, and watching other YouTubers like that, it was like, that's what I want to do. It's fun, you know. So then we had our whole fallout or whatever, but me and my cousin was still going to just go ahead and take the YouTube, because we were still together. We were just going to change it from triple threat to something different, because we were both natural. We were like, we would do natural hair videos, to do the challenges and pranks and stuff like that when that was really popping. And she ended up deleting the YouTube channel, and we could never get our videos back, never get the channel back. So at that point we were just like, nah, you know, we don't want to do it. But I still kept watching YouTubers and like Kennedy and stuff. So at that point I'm like, I want to do this. I want to do this. Like, I could be big on YouTube. Like, I want to do this. And it wasn't because of the money. It wasn't because I was seeing the stuff they could get. It was really because I enjoy being behind the camera. Like I told y'all, I feel more motivated to do YouTube than other things, and that's why I incorporate that stuff into YouTube, so I can have the motivation for that. Is this something you will continue after you graduate? So I think I basically kind of answered that. So it is something I'm going to continue. I just really have to see where I am in life to figure out what my YouTube will be geared, because I feel like a lot of college YouTubers transferring their YouTube to like their adulthood now, to like them getting houses, getting apartments, getting stuff like that. So it can definitely happen, and I feel like it's gonna happen for me. So we're just gonna keep going, you know. Yeah, see where it takes me. But yeah, that is it for my life update, my Q&A, whatever y'all want to call it, or whatever you called it by now. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to show you guys everything that I have in store for now, up until Vlogmas, up until next year, because Q is coming hard for the Q Mafia. Period. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure y'all give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be lit together. Period. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.